Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share all the lipsticks that I'm currently obsessed with. So mostly these lipsticks are going to be nude lipsticks because those are the lipsticks that I kind of like to wear at my workplace. So if you guys are not a fan of nude lipsticks, you may skip this video. But if you guys are fond of nude lipsticks just like how I am, then this is the right video that you have stumbled upon. Also, I've done a similar sort of video wherein I have shared my 5 nude lipsticks in the past. If you guys haven't watched it, then please go check it out. Those lipsticks are still one of my favorite. But if you guys want to know what all I have added into my collection, then let's continue watching the lipsticks that we're going to talk about today. So guys, the first lipstick that I'm going to talk about is this one from Pilgrim, and this is the Matte Me Up, the Spanish collection, and I am in the shade Cinnamon Lust. Oh my god, this is a recent favorite. This is the newest of all the lipsticks that I'm going to show you, and this has quickly become my favorite. The proof is I have finished this much. I mean, are you guys kidding me? I just got this lipstick. You guys can see I've literally used this because this is the only lipstick that I've been pulling out since this entire week or 10 days. I am in love with this lipstick. First of all, the packaging is so nice. You guys can see it has a magnetic closure, a beautiful packaging. This shade in particular is going to suit all the dusky skin tone population. Someone who is more deeper than me can pull this shade, rock this shade just like a nude lipstick. But for me, it is slightly deeper, so I like to go and tone down with a very pale nude lipstick. But however, the only con that I would say is it's a creamy matte lipstick, so it does transfer. For me, I wear mask at hospitals. Even after mixing a bit, this does sort of feather out and smudges inside the mask. So but still I keep reaching out to because the formula is so comfortable, it is so long lasting. So even if it like smudges, it is still long lasting. Even if it transfers, it is going to last. It is that kind of a lipstick. Let me give you a swatch. This is a very beautiful brown tone lipstick which has like hints of maroon and lots of warmth going on. It's gonna definitely suit all the dusky skin tones so nicely. If you guys are in somewhere closer to my skin tone, I am NC 43.5 and MAC reference, then please check this out shade. I think they do have like couple of more nude shades, but I think this one is the best shade that I could pull out from this entire range. If I continue using this just like the way I am using it, I think I'm going to definitely finish it very soon. That's what I love about a lipstick. When I buy it, I don't want to hold it, I want to use it just like this one. So that's my first pick. Then you guys, the next lipstick that I've made up to this list is this one from L'Oreal Paris. I think I have raved about this lipstick enough in the past, but I still feel that I need to give a shout out to this lipstick. This is the Infallible Matte Resistant Liquid Lipstick, and I am in the shade, sorry, Worth It Medium. This shade, how even though I said in one of my video that the shade is not that long lasting as opposed to the other shade that I own from this lipstick, I don't remember the shade, but I'll definitely like insert the name of that shade on the screen. But that shade is super long lasting. I have tested it out for like good 10 hours plus, and it did wear off very nicely. Made a short review on this particular shade, and then I said that it's not that long lasting as compared to that shade. But trust me guys, this shade is still very long lasting, and trust me, it is so comfortable. I have been reaching out to this lipstick non-stop for my work especially. This is the shade, Worth It Medium. It is a sort of mauve nude lipstick for our skin tone, but this shade, I would say it kind of looks different on different people. I think it depends upon the undertone that you have, and it also depends upon the pigmentation of the lips that you are having. But if you just want to add a little bit of warmth, I would say that go ahead and apply a warm brown lip liner. I think with that, I think it's gonna pair up very nicely. I don't use any lip liner with this lipstick. I just use it on its own. And this lipstick, I have been reaching out non-stop guys. This is very long lasting. Like if you compare it with that shade, of course this is not like long lasting as 10 plus hours, but even after meals, it does wear off very uniformly, doesn't leave a butthole kind of a situation, and it is very comfortable. Whatever hype this range is receiving, I completely agree to it. It is absolutely worth it. So it is slightly on the price range, but I would totally pay for the luxurious feel that you get on the lips. It is smoothie, very lightweight, and doesn't feel sticky, doesn't feel drying, and all those boxes of course sticks up. So this is my second pick. This next lipstick that I want to share with you guys is another repetitive lipstick that I've shared in that video that I was talking about. I couldn't control myself using this since the time I've gotten it, and this has made it to my this recent current favorite nude lipsticks video as well. This is one of the most comfortable liquid lipstick. Of course, creamy lipsticks are going to be more comfortable anyways, but when you talk about a liquid lipstick, I think this is so comfortable. This is the Faye Lip Whip. I think she has nailed with the name. It's like a whipped cream sort of a texture, and this is also sort of cool tone mauve nude lipstick, but this is, I think, in the shade Safe Word. This is from the brand Faye Beauty. Guys, this is so long lasting. मैंने खाना खाने के बाद भी थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का रहता है. It fades very beautifully, very uniformly. This shade in particular suits me so nicely. If you are somewhere deeper than my skin tone, you might have to use a lip liner, but there are a lot of shades in this range. You can totally check any shade out. I mean, she has kept the Indian beauties on in her mind and released so beautiful shades. Also sort of a mauve nude lipstick one. They both kind of belong to the same color family. Love this formula, you guys. This formula is so lightweight, so airy. Absolutely don't feel that I'm wearing something. And the only thing is, it kind of transfers. It is not completely transfer proof. Like, it does not transfer, but it will leave a sort of slight tint on whatever you're sipping or something, but that's not gonna bother. It doesn't feather, it doesn't bleed, and it stays put. So even if it transfers, I don't mind it because it's comfortable and it stays put throughout the day. So this one is a must have. You guys have still not checked this out, I think this at least one shade you must try because it's a very excellent formula she has come up with. Let's see. So that's my third pick. Then the next lipstick that I'm like super crazy about is this one from Tint Cosmetics. This is in conjunction with Emily in Paris. Love the packaging. I have posted a review on this. I think you guys love this shade on me. I picked this up only because of the packaging. This is also a cool tone pink lipstick. It's gonna suit my skin tone as well. I when I made a review, if you guys haven't watched that, I'm gonna make sure to link in the iCard button. So a review made the help of a lip liner. This is the Mars of Edge Lip Desire lip liner in the shade Deep Dawn. So this is the combination that I wear whenever I pull out the shade. It works so beautifully because this shade is a cool tone brown and this is a cool tone pink, so it works very beautifully. But on its own also it works me because one of you guys commented that on its own how does it look. Of course, I'm gonna insert the clip of how it looks on me without any lip liner as well. I would say this is also very comfortable, guys. Compare any lipsticks that we have in the market right now with lipsticks that were there in 2017, 2016. You will say that all the lipsticks that we're having right now are like 100% comfortable. Do you guys even remember smudge no smudge lipstick from Sugar and everything? They were so drying, and I think none of the brands right now are making so drying lipsticks because no one likes to have chapped drying lips. But if I compare all the lipsticks that I'm going to show you today, this one might feel a little drying, but nothing that's gonna like make you remove the lipstick or smack your lips or drink water. No, I am like very comfortable wearing this lipstick for like 6+ hours. I'm up until I eat my meal. If I eat my meal, definitely this is a liquid lipstick. तो थोड़ा fade हो जाता है, but when I fill my lips with the lip liner and then go over with this lipstick again, पता भी नहीं चलता है कि वो fade हो रहा है. It fades very uniformly. So if you guys want to try it, definitely you can try it because the shade is very nice. It looks very beautiful on me again. This is a pink nude cool tone lipstick that's gonna suit fair, medium, and deep skin tones as well. This is the shade. The next lipstick that I'm gonna talk about is, if you guys haven't checked even one lipstick from this range, guys, please go check it out because this is super inexpensive. I think it's 200 rupees or 230 rupees. This is the Inside Cosmetics No Smudge Lip Color, and I am in the shade Jamaica. How many times have you guys watched me wear this lipstick? Comment down in the comment section. My OG subscribers will know that मैंने हर get ready with me में ये lipstick pull out किया, be it airport look or be it a fancy Indian get ready with me. This formula is so good, and I was little skeptical when I was picking up this shade because this shade looked very pale on the swatches and on the site as well. But I took a risk, and this shade without the lip liner suits me so nicely. और क्या ही चाहिए guys, this is a proper brown nude lipstick which has a little bit of peach undertone, and my skin tone के लिए this is a perfect nude lipstick. Like if you are deeper than me, I wouldn't say this would suit you. It might wash you out. Without any makeup, you might need to go ahead with a lip liner, but if you guys are fair skin tone or my skin complexion, you can totally rock this shade. This one is the shade which is so beautiful, smoky eyes kiya ho. You guys are like want a pale nude shade for your skin tone, this shade is gonna look so beautiful. It makes me feel sophisticated whenever I pull out this shade. यार क्या कमाल का shade है. When I look at this shade, it kind of looks like it's not gonna suit me, but it does suit me even without makeup. So this is something that I wear for my daily work also when I'm not having any makeup. And this is long lasting, comfortable, and it has a very moussey formula, just like the Miss Claire lip cream or the NYX soft matte lip cream. But the only catch is this is transfer proof. Imagine exactly comfortable like those soft matte lip cream, but it also is transfer proof lipstick. Or kya hi chahiye. So that's that. Moving on to the lip gloss, how could I not include a lip gloss? I don't have much of lip gloss. I keep telling you guys the same thing. I do have like couple of lip glosses here and there. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see my lip gloss collection. I would love to do that because it's not a lot. But amongst all the lip glosses, I always keep reaching to this Blur Cosmetics. Again, Blur Cosmetics के lip gloss के बारे में मैंने बहुत तारीफ करा है. If you're OG subscriber, you would know that how much I love this lip gloss. You guys can see the real proof. मैंने इसको इतना खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. And the best thing why I like this lip gloss is the way it wears off. It is a lip gloss. It is not supposed to last long. It is supposed to transfer everywhere, whatever you eat, and it is supposed to fade away. Reapplication shouldn't be a problem. But the catch with this lip gloss is whenever you're sipping or you're eating, it doesn't fade away completely. It's not a tint, it is just a lip gloss, and it is like moderately pigmented. I wouldn't say it's like super pigmented, but जब ये fade होता है ये बहुत uniformly fade होता है. I don't know how being a lip gloss they have done that. Of course, I have not tried out any other shade from this lip gloss, so I cannot like vouch कि सारी ही shades ऐसा है क्या. But this shade in particular, it's deep brown. First of all, suits my skin tone so nicely, and it is long lasting. Like मैं airport में भी लगा के जाती हूँ तो till I reach my destination, like I might have had a little bit of tea, coffee, or I might have had a little bit of snack and everything, but still ये lip gloss रहता है. So for a lip gloss to last that long and perform this nicely, I think it's a 10 on 10 product. Also, I might have a coupon code with the Blur Cosmetics. I'm gonna flash it on the screen. I think Rasika Selvam is the coupon code. You guys can check out. I don't know अगर वो अभी भी काम करता है कि नहीं करता है. I'm gonna swatch it here. Look at the shade, you guys. It is so nice. Love this shade. It is exactly, this is called as deeper. It is exactly like a chocolatey brown gloss for our skin tone. Definitely check this one out. People on the internet keep raving about Mars or Swiss Beauty ke lip liners. No offense, I do have a lot of lip liners from them, and Mars Cosmetics ke lip liners are one of my favorite. I keep using them, amazing. But Zudio ki lip liner has become one of my favorite, and I keep pairing up with a couple of other glosses because this is super pigmented, super creamy. The shade that I've picked up, I think this is deep nude if I'm not wrong. It comes in a retractable packaging, so it becomes very easy. You don't end up wasting much of product, and this shade in particular is so beautiful. So I don't pair this necessarily with a lipstick. I just fill my entire lips with this lip liner and go ahead with a lip gloss. Wow guys, क्या कमाल का दिखता है. You try on clip में देख लेना how beautiful this lip liner looks like on its own. This is the color. This has a hint of pink, this has a hint of brown, this has a hint of mauve, and suits my skin tone so nicely. Kamal ka lip liner, it's pretty long lasting as well. So Zudio ke kuch products are a hit as well. So I think that's all I have the lipsticks. I mean, and I keep going back and forth with these lipsticks currently, like 2-3 महीने से मैं यही lipsticks use कर रही हूँ. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. Let me know in the comment section how many of you own these lipsticks already and whether you like it or not. Nude lipsticks are something that I finish on regular basis, and I like to try nude lipsticks because I love nude lipsticks personally. So let me know in the comment section what are your current favorite nude lipsticks, and let's see whether I have used them. If I haven't, I would love to try it. And little update, I'm feeling much better. I've joined my gym, and the pain has also settling, and it's pretty much, you guys can see I can move around, I can move my neck as well. So yeah, all of you guys leaving such beautiful comments, guys have been praying for me to get well soon. I am so blessed, so grateful that you guys are part of me and my life. So really thank you, and probably because of those blessings I'm like recovering super fast. Yeah, that just wanted to let you guys know. So now I think I'm gonna take off. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Ta-da, bye bye.